Hi everybody, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another unboxing video today, and this is the Simply Beautiful Winter 2018 box. I recently opened up, was it the fall box that I had got? I think so. I've had so many boxes coming in and out of the houses I can't keep track of what I've been getting. So let's open up this box together and see what is inside of it. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I'm very curious to know what's inside. Okay, here goes. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. This looks really interesting. Well, I have another face roller. Buddy's excited about this box too, apparently. I think they'd like to see your face and not your tail. This one is a rose quartz roller. So that's nice. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, drinking straws. That is cool. I was actually thinking of ordering some of these. This is really cool. They're, I think, rose gold or copper, and then they come with a little cleaning apparatus. So there's 4 of them. That is neat. I don't know, there's not a card in this box, or maybe it's on the bottom. Hydrating eye gel patches, all eyes on me. I do have some that I've received in some other subscription boxes, but I haven't had a chance to try them yet. So I do love to do masks, so that's a nice gift. This is Riversol, I'm not sure how you say it. It's developed for sensitive skin. It's a hydrating cream cleanser. It restores balance and soothes irritation in sensitive skin. Oh, that's interesting. And it's made from the Pacific Red Cedar. I'm not sure if this is a Canadian company or... That's a nice big thing of cleanser. It's very nice. And then, what is this? Oh, okay. I don't drink, so I'm thinking this is a wine bag. So, I'll give it to my brother. He likes wine. And this is a candle. Ooh. What is the scent on this? I'm not sure what the scent is on this. Is that vanilla? Okay, it almost smells like if you're having a campfire, but I don't know. Hopefully there's a card in here telling me what all this is. Oh, some little pink Invisibobbles. Yay! And these are some Invisibobbles. I'll give these to my daughter. People with long hair like these. My hair isn't quite long enough for these. And next up we have, oh, some nice bath salts by Cheri Arome. Aroma? Black Lava Detox bath salts. That's interesting. I do love to take a bath, and I usually use Epsom salt, so I'll certainly use those. And last but not least, oh, it's an eternity scarf. Okay, that's interesting. So that's kind of nice. It'll come in handy on our cold Canadian winters. So all the paperwork is on the bottom. So it's just a little thank you card. And then, okay, there were 9 things included. So it's Simply Beautiful and Canvas Candle Company, and it's called an All is Bright candle. And it has a retail value of $18 Canadian. And then the eye masks have a retail value of $25 Canadian. The bath salts are $13 Canadian. The Infinity Scarf has a value of $45 Canadian. Riversol has a value of $29 Canadian. The Rose Quartz Facial Massager has a retail value of $40. The Rose Gold Metal Straws, there's 4 of them with 2 little cleaning apparatuses. They're $10. The Invisibobbles are $10, and I think there's 3 in there. And the wine bag has a value of $15. So the total retail value is $205. I do think that the prices are inflated on some of the products. I will certainly make use of most of them. I won't use the wine bag, and I'll have to see what the candle smells like when it's burning, because as it is right now, I'm not crazy about the smell. I don't know how to really describe it. Oh, and there's also this other thing included in the box, and I guess it's just some deals that they have on their website. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with this box. I mean, there are a few things that I wish weren't in it, but overall I am happy, and I have been enjoying the 2 boxes that I have received from them. Simply Beautiful is by the company called BC Living, and it's a quarterly subscription box. It's in Canadian funds. They may ship to the US. I'll have to check that out for you. But if you go to their website, which I will link below, you can get more information. I don't get any kickback from it. I'm just putting it there for your information. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. And if you want to see more unboxing videos, more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, I hope that you'll click the subscribe button pin. Because Buddy and I would love to have you here as part of our little family. He's so tired because we filmed 2 unboxing videos, and he's just so played out. He needs to have a snooze now. So Buddy and I would like to thank you very much for spending time with us today, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Oh, you silly boy.